So today I am going to explain very, very interesting topic that is called mass allocation. When one particular expenditure, we do not know what is the cost center has to be incorporated at the time of AP invoice or AR invoice itself. If we want to allocate it in some common expenditure in some ratio, that is called mass allocation. For example, if you take in real-time scenario, there is a kind of 8 stories building, ground floor or 2 basement, one for car parking, one for two-wheeler parking, ground floor gardening, and then some common expenditure, security, and then 8th floor kind of like a cafeteria. So these are all the common expenditure, either from some contractor, one bill comes. So how you are going to allocate it based on some ratio, that is called mass allocation. Comfortable? So if you are allocated properly in the distribution line in AP, then this is not required. For example, this is the entry, it's coming from AP. 400,5800 for Zero company, 60,000. Example, this 60,000, I just going to create one statistical ratio. You can use your existing sales revenue. Some company, so here and there some cost centers are there. So some of the other overhead department, you never get a revenue. Then now you are going to allocate this common expenditure. So that is why they are creating some ratio in statistical. If you create the ratio in USD, it may affect our trial balance, correct? It may affect our trial balance. So we can create our statistical ratio. 1:2:3. Can you tell me mathematically how to allocate? 60,000 into 1 divided by 6, 10,000. 2 divided by 6, 20,000. 3 divided by 6, 30,000. Correct? Correct,
sir.
Everyone?
Correct, sir. 1:2:3.
Right. 1:2:3. So this account, we are going to take it as a base, that is called cost pool multiplied by usage factor divided by total usage is equal to target, then Padmashuran. You know what is Padmashuran, correct? Take the balance from there, revise the balance, otherwise your utility account or facility account, it becomes a doubled. Clear? So take the balance and reverse it. That is called offset. This will be replaced by 310, 350, 375. That is called, today I'm just explaining with the 3 department. You can do it at a stretch, even 300 department possible. Any questions?
No, sir.
Super, super. Poonam, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I want to do this in EBS, Raja, in EBS, actually it's not required, but I'm going to show you A into B divided by C equal to T and O. Equal to T and O. A is equal to what? The account what is that came from our AP. What is B? I'm going to create a statistical ratio. So 9210 is a square feet account. 9210, it's a square feet account. 310, 352, 375, 3. So total means 300 is a parent. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Any questions?
No, sir.
Super. Here, it's not an Excel. We can go by line. Totally, this is the 5 formula. A into B divided by C is equal to T and offset. So A and offset, it's a ulta. This is the positive means this is the negative. This is the negative means it's the positive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Ditto. Now we are going to keep 300 instead of 310, 350, 375. Oracle, they have given one kind of a formula. Raja, this is not, we are going to do it. I'm just telling you what is there in our EBS. So constant means child. So 02 is a child, 400, it's a child. 5800, child. 00 is a child. This is also child. What are all postable? Everything, it is a child. And divided by or multiplied by looping and summing, we can utilize it for parent code. So 300 is the parent. Looping means 60,000 multiplied by 1 divided by 6, 2 divided by 6, 3 divided by 6. So that is called looping and summing. Targeted to 310 5800, 350 5800, 375 5800. That is called target. This is called reversed. Any questions? This is how in EBS we will do this mass allocation. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Super. Now, if I want to do it in Oracle application, in Fusion, if I go to period close, it is controlled by EPM in Fusion. If I go to inquiry on detailed balances, Raja, you people are looking for holiday tomorrow? I will speak to sir, no issues. Tomorrow and day after you take a leave. Monday, Tuesday we will finish up. I have no problem.
Okay, sir. Perfect.
So can I convey to him?
Yes, sir. Actually, we have decided, sir.
It's okay, understood. Evening only, lot of pujas will be there. So
Yes, sir.
50% mind is here, 50% mind is there. So very important topics and all I'm going to cover. So it doesn't matter. Another 2 days, it's not going to cause problem for me. So it's okay. We'll meet on Monday. Okay.
Thank
After
you, sir.
today, we'll meet on Monday.
Okay, sir.
All
Okay,
right.
sir.
So you can even, I will send a message to Mr. Bose. You can inform him even on Saturday also. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay.
So very few topics are pending. So 1 day session is sufficient, but I don't want to go hurry and all. So we'll finish it on Monday, Tuesday. Clear? Either Monday or max Tuesday. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Super. No problem. No problem. So now you need a ledger, you need a period, you need a currency, you need a currency type, you need a actual or like a allocated company, department, account, intercompany. So PTD, QTD, YTD. So likewise, these are all the field. It's not there. You never get your balance. Correct? So ledger, account period, currency, currency type, total are entered, currency, scenario, budget or actual or encumbrance, company, department, account, intercompany. So whether it is a debit or credit or it is balance. What is our balance type?
Yes.
What is our balance type?
Balance type.
So this is the maximum dimension it's required for one balance inquiry. Am I right or wrong? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So if I change the company code 01 to 02, balance will change. If I change the department from 300 to 225, the balance will change. So this is equivalent to remote control. If I change, accordingly, balance will change. Am I right or wrong?
Right,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Super.
Right.
So what is the formula in Fusion application, right? Which is common for all. That is called point of view. Understood, Raja?
Yes, sir.
Which is common for A, B, C, T, O. Ledger is common. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Okay. This is January. This is January. This is not February. All are January. All
Yes,
are
sir.
September. All are October. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Period should be
So
same.
it is common. Raja, understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we are doing like a mathematics, Bhaiya. So 2x multiplied by 3y plus 4. What is the meaning? That 2x, it's a common for 3y and 4. Am I right? So that 2x, it's nothing but point of view. Any questions? Puna madam, understood madam?
Yes, sir.
Super. So ledger is common. Accounting is common. This is USD. This is also USD common.
Common.
This is GBP. This is USD means you can't keep it as a common. Raja, clear?
Yes, sir.
So company code is common. Intercompany is common. Whereas natural account, it's changing. Department is changing. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir. Right.
So this is how the point of view. Now, source. This is nothing but source, correct? Which is the base you are going to take for calculation. That is called your source. In that, what all it's already there in point of view. Ledger, account period, currency type, currency, company, intercompany is there. Department, account, scenario, balance amount. So what is missed out? This plus this is equal to source. Any questions?
No, sir.
Super. Now, what is ready? Point of view ready. Source is ready. Which is the one I'm going to allocate? 310, 350, 375. Is it a company code? No.
No, sir.
No,
For
sir.
my
Fine.
class, it is department. So allocating is nothing but basis on
Department.
department or which
And
code,
natural.
location or XYZ. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Super. What is to be targeted?
Account.
Took
Natural
it
account.
from facility, put it like a utility or same account code. So that is called your target. Any questions? What is our offset? Same.
Department
You can
account.
put it here. Correct.
Right, sir.
What
Same.
is the basis? So that is coming with the alpha. So account, balance type, currency, amounts. This is for statistical. And then PTDR. Every month, if you are going to upload the ratio, once in a quarter, you are going to upload the ratio. Once in a year, you are going to upload the ratio. I am going to explain now. So my calendar is January to December. Clear? Jan to March is equal to first quarter. April to June is equal to second quarter. July to September is third quarter. And then
October to December.
October to December, fourth quarter.
now I'm going to ask you, who is going to tell me the answer? Tell me. If this is 1, then what is this?
PTD1.
That is also 1 because January it's coming under up to March first quarter. Correct, madam? So January it's coming under year. So that is also 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If it is amount, you can call it as, right? If I put $2 is an amount, or I can put, so you people are $1 means there is no meaning. Huh? Okay, 10, 10, 10. Okay. If I put 10 here, then what is the total here? This is 20.
Quarter
This
20.
is
20. Correct, sir.
If I put 10 here, this is
30.
30, this is
30.
30.
Yes, sir.
If I put 10 here, this is 10, this is 40. Am I right? Why?
Right, sir.
Because it is coming under
Quarter
second
and-
quarter.
yes,
It's a
sir.
year-to-date balance. Madam, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, everyone? Super. Right. Now, if it is 0, what is the balance?
0.
No,
No, 10. 10.
10.
10.
10.
10.
If it is 0, 10, 10.
10.
If it is 0, 0,
0.
10. Likewise, all the month 0, then it is 10. Got it,
10.
Raja?
Yes,
So, if you are using every month, if the statistical ratio you are going to upload, use PTD for basis. Clear? Every quarter, once in a quarter, if you are going to upload, if I say 20 here, now this is 20. Correct?
This
Raja,
is
clear?
30.
Then
Yes,
you
sir.
can use QTD. Once in a year, Bhaskaran, if I upload it in January, then what will happen? So till December, same ratio, Bhaskaran, then you can use YTD. Madam, clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So now what I supposed to do? I need prerequisite. What is that? Number 1, parent and child relations should be there. Yes, we already created. It's there. If you want, I can show you with the help of our meals expenses. Correct? Or instead of explaining here, I can show you our Excel. Anyway, our Excel, what it says. $310, $350, $375. Madam Ji, any questions? Poonam, Antara, all are clear? Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So parent and child ranges. Okay. You need a base journal to be allocated. I will enter and post it in the month of October. And then statistical ratio, I will put it in the month of January. Is it clear or not? So January, this I will put it in October 21. Because anything, it is belongs to what? Belongs to what? 1 month ratio for YTD, it is 12 months. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Or I can do it in the month of January also, not a problem. So this is Jan, this is Jan. I will verify the formula. How this is going to come? Define a formula, save, validate, deploy, run mass allocation, verify the output in our Fusion application. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Super. What is the first step? I can go to my,
Sir, I have.
yeah, please.
Sir, in mass allocation, as it is been allocated to different departments also in on basis
Yeah,
of
Raja,
company.
he will create
So
a
it may happen.
dummy department. For example, 310, 350, 375. 300 is the parent, correct? 100, 150,
Yes.
175, 210. This is nothing but your 225 is the parent, correct? If you want, you can create a one more parent. Madam, clear? One more parent call. For example, 401. So this and this, this and this, if I want to create, possible. This is purely for mass allocation. Madam, clear or not? Madam,
Yes,
clear or
sir.
not?
But the question was,
Ah.
yes, sir, clear. But the question is, sir, it may happen, sir, in one department that particular expense has been very much utilized, and in another department it has been
That
utilized
is
only
why
20%. But
the ratio has been decided by your top management. Only AC sitting people. Clear?
Management decide the
okay.
ratio.
And on basis of that,
They
we
will
are-
decide the ratio either once in a year or once in a quarter or once in a month. Clear, madam? Madam?
Okay.
Yes,
I
sir.
got it.
So based on the project sales, number of employee or a square feet or a head count, accordingly, this ratio will be identified. Clear?
Clear.
That you can enter, upload through spreadsheets also possible. Clear? Super. For a class, I just explaining 1:2:3, but in real time, that ratio will be used by your user. But you have to tell them how to use this. What is the prerequisite for that? We have to set our formula and keep it ready. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Super. So this is a small window. EPM, it will take a lot of time. EPM, it will take a lot of time. So let me go to create mass allocation. It will open another screen. EPM means Enterprise Performance Management System. This general ledger balance cube's not there. Click on navigate, administer, calculation manager. If you click, this will come. Got it? So why Oracle? We created a chart of account first, instance second, instance we created for S-base. So EPM, it's coming via Hyperion. Hyperion, it will work only in S-base. Clear now? Clear, everyone? Super.
Yes, sir.
So now expand this. It will take some few seconds or even few minutes also. Slowly we will do. So today I will go with some of the very important topic. Up to this, we'll try to cover. We'll try even this. I will cover some other day. So this will cover some other day. Okay, maybe Monday. So this is very important. If you know mass allocation, same EPM for this is also. And then this will cover either Monday, Tuesday, or Monday itself we will complete. We'll decide. One more is also there. That is called third party control. Another one is called MOAC. So these are all we will cover some other day. Hardly it will take 2 hours to complete today. We'll try, otherwise we'll push it to next day. Okay, madam? Super. So now I will go to application. Expanded AC1. Expanded database. Under a rule, right click new. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
We are going
Creating
to
rule.
create a new mass
Rule.
allocation rule. Clear? So AC1 mass allocation. Rule number 1. Example. I just click ensure this is our balance cubes related to chart of account instances. Clear now? Super. It will come like some diagram. Begin and end. Starting and closing. Begin and end. You have to drag this, put it in between. Don't see my cursor. Raja, that point of view, it is there, na? That you can drop it in between these two. Got it? Clear, everyone? Because seen that right properly? So you drag and put in between begin and end. You have to drop it. If you drop, you will get like, all the dimensions will be there. You are going to select which is your point of view. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is our point of view? That can be done 2 methods. Let me click on that here. Do you want to select like a default means member selection? Variable means Bhaskaran, my user, they will type the period October, next month, November, manually at the time of running the mass allocation Bhaskaran. Then it is called variable. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Yes, sir.
everyone? So
Yes, sir.
variable means flexible parameter. We can call it as. Got it? Member means you are going to select, that is the part. So what are all not going to change for any period, that is called member. If you want to select a Bhaskaran company code, ledger and accounting period, I want variable. You can. First, like a member, I will explain. And then I can teach you how to use variable. So individually you can select, instead of you can select, both are same. So which month I decided for my class? January 2021. Okay. January 2021. Okay. Push it. Accounting period. I am not selected as a variable. I selected as what?
Member.
Like a member selection. What is the second one? I can go to ledger. That is nothing but Bhaskaran, not ledger set, not UK ledger. It is nothing but like a US ledger. Push it to right hand side. Third, company, it's not going to change. So far I used 01 company. I can use for this illustration 02. Department, no. Account, no. Intercompany, what is to be 00. So I explain in the Excel. I'm just filling here. Clear? Scenario, no. Currency, yes. If I go back, you can see that. So what is given by your trainer? Ledger, and then account.
Currency type.
Ledger, account. Company, intercompany. Currency type and currency. Currency type and then currency. So currency, I can push it to what? USD. Otherwise, you can search here. Both are same. USD, search it. You can select. That is also possible. Even account also. Currency type, say entered or what? That we are going to select. It is total. Total means accounted or functional or USD. Clear? Clear, everyone? So point of view is ready. Any questions? Any questions? All are comfortable? Okay, right. So now I'm going to select allocation. Raja, listen. In this gap, I will repeat. First one, this to this, we have inserted here. Correct? The second one, what I'm going to do, I will insert it here. Don't forget, inserted between this and this. Raja, clear? Super. How to do it? So again, drag, bring it, bring it, bring it. Don't see my arrow. See the allocation where I am dropping. Clear? Clear, everyone? Super.
Yes, sir.
Bhaskaran sir,
Yes, sir.
any fixed ratio. What is the meaning of fixed ratio? Multiplied by 1, divided by 1, then it is called fixed. There is no statistical ratio is required. Correct? So this account multiplied by 1, divided by 1, send it to this account. Facility to utility, electricity, common electricity, utility, common water charges, utility. Likewise, you can transfer. Then you can do this mass allocation. Likewise, ratio means you can't use fixed. Fixed means you cannot use ratio. Comfortable? So now we are using a ratio. It is not the fixed of this allocation process. So click on next. Skip this process. Comfortable? So now what is the next step? Source. What is the meaning of source?
Source means department
Target.
Now
accounts.
listen, I am
From
not
where we
completed an entry.
allocate.
Let me create a rule, but I have not completed my journal entry, right? 2 journal entries pending. What is that? 1, that 02-400 580000 has to be posted. Second one, statistical ratio to be posted. Correct? So I started this. Let me finish this. I'm not going to run. After those entry, I will run the mass allocation. Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So now, with respect to source, department, account, scenario, balance amount, department. So what is the department? We are in source. Source, it's not a parent. At the moment for my class, it is 400, correct? Scenario, I'm going to select. It is nothing but like, actual. It is not like allocated or budget or encumbrances. Done. And then what is the third one? It is
Account.
called department and account. Department is 400. I already given.
Sir,
And
actually
then I will go to account. Correct. Account means, which is the account?
5800.
Vale, Raja. 5800.
00.
So now source also completed. Source also completed. Clear? So what is the next?
Balance amount.
Balance amount is missing. Okay. You can select a member here. Otherwise, you can select the member here. Balance type. Balance type. Or amount type or balance type?
Balance amount.
Balance amount. Okay. So whether is it a debit or a credit, or it could be anything, Bhaskaran. Let it come as it is. That is called period activity. What is the meaning of period activity? This will decided by the system based on whether it is debit or credit. Got it? That is called period activity. Comfortable? Right. So now we have just completed. Then go to next. What is allocation? You are going to allocation ranges with the help of department. Select here member. It is for what? Current is the department is that latest. Under that department, I wrongly selected as an account. I'll go to department member. Under that current, under that I can select 300 and then push it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the account to be targeted? It's very simple. Same 5800. Correct. If you want a different account, that is also possible. So 5800. Click on OK. Everything is ready. Who is your Padmashuran? That 400 and 5800, correct? Which is the balance you took it like a base that you are going to reverse in our entry. So that is called 5800. Any questions? Any questions? All are clear? Super. Now, Bhaskaran sir, you selected a 300. In that, I don't want 301, Bhaskaran sir. Anything to be excluded in the ratio you can use. Otherwise, optional. Raja, clear? All the 300, but 310, I don't want this time, Bhaskaran sir. You can exclude. Otherwise, leave it. Understood? What is the next? This is very important. How you are going to do our basis. So basis, I will go to this first one. Accounts. Yes. Target account also. Account period already selected as a point of view. Ledger already selected. Company selected. Account. For this basis, it has to be targeted to which account?
9210.
This is nothing but your calculation of ratios, correct? Calculation of ratios. It is nothing but what? 9210 for my class. Square feet or head count. Am I right?
So 9210. I think I be selected 9110.
Thank you, sir. Right. Second one, you can say like a currency type.
Type.
Or currency. It is not like a regular currency. It is statistical currency. I'm going to enter it now. If I enter in USD, that $6, it will affect my trial balance. Correct? Statistical is the currency given by Oracle only for the purpose of, Raja, listen, only for the purpose of calculation. Clear? Amount type, we already selected. I'm looking for PTD or QTD or a base as it is. So base as it is. So I just completed all the parameter. Now click on OK. Bhaskaran, this is missing point of view. 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 Balance amount. I think we already selected. If you want, you can reconfirm it. Period activity. And then next. So Bhaskaran sir, if the calculations are coming as a negative, what do you want me to do? Calculate as a normal, otherwise abort, otherwise treat it as a zero. Raja, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
If that basis is equal to zero, tell me. If it is negative, this abort the allocation or skip the current pool. Likewise, we can set the options. Next, how many rounding decimals you are looking for? India means 2, Japan and Kuwait means 3, Bahrain means 3. That decimals you have to specify. Click on next and then save. And then finish. Now I can save this. Your rule has been saved. Validate whether I made any mistake, it will show you. Otherwise, no error will come. Raja, clear?
Yes,
Anything you missed out, it will throw. This formula, we are doing it in S base. It has to be normally what we will do. Oracle database to S base, we ran for our cash positioning, cash forecasting, payable to general ledger reconciliation, then receivable to general ledger reconciliation, etc. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we are in EPM, but this has to be pushed to where? Oracle application. That is why deployment is mandatory. So deployment has been mandatory. Successfully deployed. That is the message has to come. Clear? Now formula is ready. Now I will go to application. I need some 2 prerequisites, which I missed out before defining the role. What is that?
Parent and child.
AC1, base or source journal, mass allocation, source batch. Am I right? Am I right, Raja? Right.
Yes, sir.
So this I will remove. This I will
Source journal is required that.
January. Correct, Raja?
Yes, sir.
Super. Now I will enter like this. 0 to 400, 5800, it is 60,000 divisible by 6. Correct? More easy.
Yes, sir.
0 to 221000, it is coming from where? It is coming from like, AAP. So liability. Now post and create another. Got it, sir?
Yes, sir.
It's our actual currency. Any questions? Next one, what is that? Stat journal. Am I right? Which is the period? January.
Jan.
Which is the Jan? Okay. What is the currency? It is statistical. Bale. Immediately, this will be changed to stat. So normally, either a functional currency or a foreign currency, if you are going to enter, corresponding offset is mandatory. Otherwise, suspense will come. Correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Now,
9210. Yes.
1 is 2. Madam, understood? Everybody clear? This now it's more easy. What I captured, that is I'm entering here. Correct? 350, 9210. Correct? $2.
Two.
What is the next? 375, 910. Correct?
Yes, sir.
No need to give correspondence. Why? It is a kind of like a statistical. Statistical means no offset is required. Clear now? Ensure whether this both the journal got posted. Raja, clear? Both the journal got posted. Why I took it as a January, right? We have not entered for this particular vision instance. None of the entry in Jan. Only these two entry will come. One related to our primary, another related to what? Our RCL, secondary ledger, etc. Leave that. Clear now? So this is posted. This is posted. No corresponding offset. Any questions? Whether we created our formula or not? Yes. Come
Yes,
here.
created.
Whether we selected anything as like a variable? No. We have not selected. So generate general ledger allocation. Which is the rule? What I selected, it will come here. We deployed it now, it will come. Do you want to post? No. Let me review and post. Submit. That's all, sir. In this Bhaskaran, I want company code. I want like a account period. That is called variable. I will teach you next. Clear now? Clear now? Super. So now let me just click on cancel. Go to monitor process. It will show you whether it is created any child program. It's triggered the program means something is there for our output. That's the meaning. So what is the source? Anybody can you tell me what is the source? It is a manual. No, it is allocation. What is the period? Jan. Then search. Now you see that another one more line has come. It is not rendered by Bhaskaran. It is coming from MassAllocation window. Let me edit. What is the output? 310, 350, 375. How much? 10 into 20 into 30. Any questions, sir? Poonam, Antara, any questions? Sir, only 3 line. Because of this, you went to my EPM window. Don't ask. If you are doing for 200 department, also same formula. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Poonamji, understood?
Yes, sir.
Super, super. Now, what is variable? I'm going to explain. Same formula, I can go back. Same formula. If I click, it is called point of view, correct? If I click, that is called allocation, correct? So you can edit the existing also possible. Scroll down, remove the period. So I just removed it. If I removed it means you have to give at least. It's a mandatory, correct? So you have to give some other. How to do it? Go to click here. Instead of member, I'm going to create a variable. Show all variable database. If it is come here, not a problem. Otherwise, create. It will open a second sheet here. We are, instead of mass allocation window, now we are navigated to defining of our what? Variable formula, correct?
Yes, sir.
So you
Correct.
you can use anything. So again, I can select the expand the balance cube. Again, I selected mine. Again, I selected this. So click here, new. What is the rule name? Bhaskaran accounting period, copy, and then paste. If you want, you can give it in where group also. Select like, member. Which is the member we are going to do it now? You are going to select our accounting period. Accounting period. Just a second. There is a small bug. That bug, I have some note. Let me check the bug. So your trainer is checking the bit paper. Right. So now I can select the default value. Maybe January I want defaulted, but I can variable change it accordingly. Let me select the default. I will click here. So I'm going to give what we are going to give. Provide accounting period. Provide accounting period. So now let me again save this. Okay, this. Go here. Click here. Variable here. Previously it's not there. Now it is there. Got it? Raja, clear? And then I click on OK. Now I can click on save. It is saved. Let me validate. No error. What is the third? To be deployed.
Deploy.
Yes, that is also done. Now I will come back here. Task panel. And then generate. The moment I select mass, one more field which I given, it will come here. Raja, clear or not? User can decide which month they want to run. Raja, clear or not? So company code, ledger name, currency, you can set it like your parameter. That is called variable. Any questions? Any questions? All are clear? Vikas, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Super.
Sir,
Poonam, any questions, ma? Antara?
period accounting period.
So if you want, you can do it
It
for.
is it is default. Jan 20 is default.
No,
right?
I set it as a default,
Here we say
but because we have not set it as a mandatory here. If you want to choose possible, February I want allocation,
That's
March I want allocation, possible.
possible.
Has understood?
Understood, sir.
Super. This is how that variable will come into the picture. So the next topic I'm going to explain. That is called auto copy batch. So far we entered many things. We'll take it as a July as an example. July, August, September. With the help of, I'm going to explain one excellent 3 or 4 topics, one after another. Slowly explain. Listen. First, I can go to my Excel. This is called FRC. It is there in our GL board, FRC. So 03 company, I want to upload this journal. So for this, I'm going to develop my report. You know how to develop your report in GL, correct? Income and expenditure or like a profit and loss account or etc. You should know how to develop the report, correct? So I need some balances. This is with the help of, I'm going to cover 2-3 topics. Slowly I will explain. Let me go to my application, task panel, and then create journal in spreadsheet. Create journal in spreadsheet. Let me open the journal. And then I can enable editing. Enter the username. AC1.emp. W capital, welcome 123. Sign in. Sign in. Close this. Description. AC1 FRC. Ledger. Let me select. Accounting date. 7/31/2021. July, August, September. I'll play with some topic. Spreadsheet, adjustment, company code. No worry. Copy and paste. Colors. Over. Upload this. Madam, clear? Ayyo. 31/7. What is that? Oh. 7/31. Oh, it's wrong. Okay. 31/7/2021. My calendar is in that format. What to do? To do. Now it's accepted. So it is React based on our Excel format, huh? Date format. Okay. Super. Now I can close this. I'll go to this. Why the people are not using adjustment journal by way of spreadsheet and all? Why? I will go to manage journal. Which month I uploaded?
July.
July. Very good, sir. Search it. The one which I uploaded, it came here, correct? Edit here. Same balance I wanted for August and September, Bhaskaran. Okay, duplicate. Are you?
Oh, delete.
No. Huh? Copy. This is called auto copy for the month of August 21. Okay, same balance for August. Again, copy. Same balance for September 21. Madam, clear? So 3 months overhead report I'm going to explain. So you are changing it to name itself. It's not a good practice. Select the proper period also, right? So now let me save and close. So how many journals are there for FRC now, Bhaskaran? So FRC, not the period, because I want 3 batches.
3
Correct.
journals. Yes, sir.
All the 3, click here, post here. Any questions?
No, sir.
If the period it's not open with respect to RCL, if the period it's not open to your secondary ledger, it will throw the error. Cross currency conversion rates also not there. It never posted. Clear now? So when automatic RCL and secondary ledgers are there, you should be very careful. Otherwise, disable it. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Luckily posted. Right. So the topic I'm going to explain now. topic I'm going to explain now. That is called, this is done. This is done. What is account monitor? I'm going to explain. It's a very, very powerful, a kind of like a report. Many companies are creating income and expenditure by way of every month they are enjoying through this account monitor. Condition proper total revenue, operational revenue, miscellaneous revenue, proper parent if you create, it's very easy. Otherwise, individually you have to do this. Clear? So what is account monitor? What is the meaning of monitor? Anybody? It's very simple. We are checking. Last month, this is the, so I am a construction company, DLF Construction. Last month, same project. This is the material I purchased. This month, what is the expenditure incurred for that particular building? Is that clear or not? That is called comparison. Correct? So that comparison, normally budget versus actual, I will teach you on Monday. Actual versus actual, that is called monitor. Comfortable? Clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
General accounting. Dashboard. General accounting. Dashboard. Go to view. Account group. Already expenses. Revenue. Close monitor. Summary income statements and all. Somebody it's created for our class. It's not, I'm not going to use that. So it will show you all company value, all department, total 4,000. What is the revenue? Is that clear? And then what is your other information? So what is your balances? If you want, you can check. This is method number 1. This is already there. But instead of, if I want to edit this, that is also possible. So close monitor. So you are going to say prior year to date or prior period. You want to do which month. Likewise, you can very well create your monitor. This will work only in close monitor. How to do it, I will teach you during our close monitor topic. Now the topic, it's not that. I'm going to create create a group. Bhaskaran account monitor related to revenue and expenditure. Clear? Do you want the output in where? In close monitor or in mass allocations window or account monitor window? Is that clear or not? Super. This I want to set it as a default. Okay. You want monthly balance, quarterly balance, year balance, monthly. But you are going to compare with budget balance, prior period, prior QTD, prior year PTD, prior year YTD. Is that clear or not? Previous year PTD, previous year QTD, previous year YTD. I want prior period. That means same year, previous month. Am I right or wrong? Super. What is the access? I can select. Bhaskaran means private. Everybody means public. Shared means I have to give a privilege. Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Sir, everyone clear? Super. Let it be private only for Bhaskaran. Let me click. Select the name. So that is the reason your trainer, he created this balance. This balance, I'm going to show you what is monitor for comparing with the previous period. Clear now? Right.
Yes, sir.
So
Right,
to
sir.
revenue. So sales, hardware, which is the ledger? All ledger, no Bhaskaran, US ledger. Which company? 03. Which department? 375. Correct? 350. Yeah. Account code 4110 and then 00. How it has to come in your window? Hey Bhaskaran, always it has to come. No, 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 no. When I will give you some threshold, it is equal to threshold, I want. If it is less than to threshold, I want. I more than to threshold, I want. Not equal to threshold, I want. You decide, but I want always. Duplicate. Software 4120. Duplicate. Ayo, it's not changed. What is the third one? It is salary. Raja, I know the code. I'm just typing it. Otherwise, you people select from properly. Salary is completed. What is the next? Advertisement. It is 7110. Duplicate. If you are using a parent code, one shot, correct? 7420. Our favorite. What is that? Rent expenses. Puna madam, right or wrong? You're clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. And then 7450. Telephone expenses. Duplicate. And then 7640. Airfare. Food expenses. That is called meals. 7740. Miscellaneous expenses. You can give any naming convention, but this is very important. Clear? Now I just click on save and close. Now the period. What is the period? I wanted for like a September means it is compared with what? It will compare with August, correct? So no difference. Can you tell me why? Your trainer is too bad. Same amount if you deposit, posted for July, August, September. What is the difference will come? Zero only will
Zero.
come. But what is this topic? You know, expenses increased. It is unfavorable for company. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Expenses is decrease. It is
Favorable.
favorable decrease for company. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Revenue, it is increased. It is favorable.
Favorable. Perfect, sir.
Revenue decrease, that is called
Unfavorable.
unfavorable. That I'm going to explain. So for that, for the month of September, I will place one journal entry. One increase, one decrease, one increase, one decrease, one pass the entry, then I will show you this comparison. Then you know what is this powerful. Clear?
Yes,
Are
sir.
understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Task panel, create
Date journal.
for the month of September
September.
21. You can say account monitor test. Correct? Super. In that, I will come to 03,350. One sales account, I'm going to increase 50,000. Okay. Another sales account, I'm going to decrease 25,000. Raja, clear? Hardware is increased, software is decreased. Duplicate. So now I can go to salary is increased.
577.
Salary is increased. Advertisement, I want to put decrease. Or airfare, I want to put it. Because of Corona, nobody is traveled. Okay, example. So 7640. And then again duplicate. So
12,000. Oh, sorry. 74.
Some 15,000. Now still how much it's spending? These are all decrease. These are all increase.
19,000.
Okay. So now how much is spending? So
49.
we'll add some payable or receivable account. That's all, very simple. So no need to do some kind of R&D. So we'll give our $19,000.
Right, sir. 19,000.
Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me post. Ensure it has been posted. Ensure this has been posted. Selecting for posting, it is posted. Again, I will go to dashboard. Under a dashboard, mine is defaulted in account monitor, correct? Super. See the magic, amazing. Select the period is September, correct? Now scroll down. See here, what is favorable, what is unfavorable. Any questions? Madam, this is salary is increased, sales is decreased, sales is increased, expenditure is decreased. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bhaskaran, this is fine. How this report I can give it to my manager? So method number 1, export to Excel. Sir, I explained with the help of some few expenses and revenue in real time, multiple one shot, correct? Any questions? Any questions, sir?
No, sir. No.
It's powerful or not? Very powerful. Next, method number 2, the same thing, same thing. If you want to run it, you can go to tools, reports and analytics. Or in another window, others FRC, financial reporting. Task panel. It will come all. Why it's not coming? Close monitor is there. Where's Bhaskaran? AC1, it's here. Raja, clear? So if you click here also, you can run a report possible. You can keep on changing and you can monitor previous month, current month, last month, this month. Likewise, we can very well do. Any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
Similarly, if I go to this statement, what is the advantage?
Monitor summary. Income
If I
statement.
change it to September, it will show you. So
Only for
this
income.
is your revenue. This is your expenditure, increase or decrease. It will show.
Income statement.
Sir, comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Amazing, amazing features all there given by Oracle.
Oracle.
This is powerful. Next one, no, I don't want this, Bhaskaran. I want to develop the report. So income, this is the head, total. January month, February month, or July month, August month, September month. It could be any 3 months. Okay, total it on the right hand side. So column should be total, row should be total. Likewise, I'm looking for one report, Bhaskaran. Sir, clear, everyone? Understood? So that kind of report I want to create. It can be done in 2 places. One is FRC. Another one is, so FRC, it's nothing but Financial Reporting Center. For that, you need a software. Actually, that software is giving trouble because Oracle, they are facing an issue in this software. So even though I will show you how it is there, but how to design this also, I will show you in launch, web launch itself. Only 2 topics. Before that, Account inspector, we have already seen, but today it's a report topic. I want to finish it up. Go to period close. Next FRC, next smart view. We will wind up. Clear? Go to task panel. So this is called detail balance. This is called what? If I go to the detail balance, so you can type for the month of October 21. Wait. October 21, 01, 300 meals expenses. I think I already showed it to you, correct? If this is not coming, you should verify. It will show you 310 how much, 350 how much, 375 how much. Am I right? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Super. Similarly, 300, what is the balance, Bhaskaran? You should go to analyze accounts inspector. You can drag and drop, I told you. What is that? So instead of account, let the ledger goes that side. Okay, put it there. And then account, you put it here. So what is the amount you are looking for? 02. Okay. What is the department you are looking for? 300. What is the month we are looking, or natural account we are looking for? 7690. Refresh. It will come like a 700. If I click here, it will go like this. Again, now only we created for what? We created for all expenditure, correct? So select here, search here. So what is your parent code? 400 is one parent, and then 5000 is one parent, correct? Select the 5000, refresh. It will give you 19450. I don't want October, I want for September. Okay, what shall we do? Minimum one column to be retained. So currency, you can put it there, and then drop this account period here, and then change it to July or September, correct? And then refresh. It is in 03. Refresh. I changed it. Why you are not changing? That is the problem. I will change it now. Refresh now. Click here. One shot. All the expenditure is ready. Sir, clear or not? Sir, clear or not? So if you properly created a parent code for your revenue or expenditure, operational revenue, salaries and benefits to staff, and then distribution or selling and distribution, interest, depreciation, if you give proper defining or designing or reconciliation, will be much easier. Any questions? That is called accounts inspector. Any questions? Vikasji?
No, sir. No.
Super.
We will do the practice.
Excellent. Now, how to develop the report? First, you have to install the software FRC. I think I have already given, correct? So I can go to this, paste the URL, username there. What is the password? W capital, welcome 123. Click on OK. Sometimes you don't have a permission will come. Ignore. Maybe the password is wrong. So W capital, welcome 123. This is the bug. Till 1st of October, this software is worked. Now, no need to panic. Sir, clear? No need to panic. Oracle, they have given a workaround for this topic. What is that? I'm going to show you. Go to your Springboard. Under period close. Task panel. Open workspace for financial reports. It will goes to your EPM window. This is the window just now we went, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Super. Go to tools, launch financial reporting, web itself. Web means no need to install the software. Clear? Raja, like an online income tax filing. Are clear? So launching this. Raja, it's a very easy topic. So please concentrate little bit higher side. Very, very important topic. Listen, please. Let me just minimize this. This is also, I just minimize. First, file new report. There is a graph sheet or your graph sheet will come. No need to worry. First, you have to insert a grid where you are going to work. So, boss, you just click on like this, like an Excel sheet. It will come in the body. In the body. Header, footer. I will come next. So here, your chart of account is coming, it's fine. But very first time we are coming here, it's a new connection. AC1 underscore database Bhaskaran. So you type it, it never pick. You have to search it. What is my chart of account instance? Anyone? AC1. Select when your cursor is here. No, it won't accept. Select here and then OK. It will pick your application database. Now my database, it's there. We are ready to take the chart of account instances for this particular development. Okay. Are clear? Okay. So what is the dimension? You are going to keep it as a row. What is the dimension? You are going to keep it as a column. What is the dimension? You are going to keep it as a page. Is that clear? So company wise, I need balance amount. It's a column. Is that clear? Account wise, I need. What is the meaning of balance amount, Bhaskaran? PTD, QTD, YTD. So if I'm going to select September, September belongs to September PTD. September belongs to third quarter. That is belongs to 2021 till September. What is the balance? Am I right or wrong? Is that clear?
Right, sir.
So
Right, sir.
you can change the dimension at any point of time. Click on OK. So let me click here. So if I click, double click, it will open like a member selection. So which is the account you need for revenue? Two revenues we are looking for, correct? So expand. What are all? Scroll down.
2-1.
Slowly you have to scroll down. Otherwise, search it and you can select. Only 20. Oh my God. I think I can use 4-1 search.
Okay.
Just a second. No, I don't want to okay it. But anyway, let me give a okay. Similarly, I want one more account. What is that? 4-1
4120.
20.
search it. So both I selected. This I will push it back. Only 2 account. If I select this, it will come like an individual row. If I selected 100, it will be 100, it will come. So 100 lines it will create. So 4110, 4120. Place the cursor adjacent to here. Right click, insert. Do you want to bring the data? You want to total the column? You want to type the text call? Some naming convention, like a blank row. Raja, clear? Likewise, you can insert it here. Now I can use formula. So you are going to type the heading. On the right hand side, custom heading, you place the cursor, type total revenue. Total revenue. Came or not? Came or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the formula? I will come to next. First, we will complete our row. So first 2 row data, third row, it is a total. Now I will place the cursor. Now I will place the cursor. Here, insert a data. It will pick the latest. No need to panic. Double click.
Move.
Double click. You are going to select some 7 expenditure, correct? What are all? If you have a parent, it's well and good. Otherwise, individually, you have to select. What is that? 5800. Correct?
Yes, sir.
5800 first. Select. Okay. What is the second? 7110 second. Search it and then select and then okay. And then 7420. That is nothing but our rent expenses. Correct. What is next? 7450. What?
That's it.
7450. 7450. Why I taken this, right? This is how you have to define, but you have a parent also can use. Raja, clear? Entire 5000, expand the child, it will expand automatically. Raja, clear? One shot we can do. Clear now? So click on OK. What is next?
7690.
40 first, 90 second. 40 first, 90 second. And then 7740. And then 7740. Enough. Select here. Okay here. I will pull back this. I don't want that. Click here, pull it back. So all the expenditure came. Decimal. So it will select that all the row coming like a separate rows. It's ready. Again, I need a total for this. Total expenditure. Formula, heading. What I need to do? Go here, custom heading. So total expenditure. Okay. What happened? Now we are completed. File, save as, under AC1 employee, share folder. We created a custom. Under a custom, we can create a folder. Folder name AC1 FRC reports. That is the folder. No
I
space.
think
Huh?
space.
No space. And then okay. straight away, I mean,
Okay.
in that custom, you can post it. That's why they are telling. Okay. I don't know. It's allowed now. They are restriction. Right. So month wise, income and
ఇగో చూడు అన్నంలో కలిపా చిప్స్ చూడరా చిప్స్ ఉన్నాయి అన్న దీంట్లో ఈరోజు
ప్రదీప్ గారు మ్యూట్ చేయండి. ప్రదీప్ గారు ఉన్నారా? థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో let me save it. Now we'll go to row is completed. This row, whether you want code is an answer or description is that answer. So individually you can select or you can select all in one shot. One shot alias. Now we completed our row. We'll go to our balance type. Double click balance amount. What all you are looking for? You can say beginning balance or amount type. I wrongly selected as a balance amount Bhaskaran. So what to do? So click here. Select here. Just a second. This is our point of view. So this I want to change. How to change? Actually, that software I am pretty much comfortable. This is too complicated. Instead of where is our amount type? Normally we will do this. Here there is a problem. This is company. Oh, okay. Dimension layout. So now let me go to amount type I want. Balance amount I will put it back. So anything can be changeable. Now amount type, double click. So PTD, QTD, YTD, I need all the three like an individual column. Raja, clear? Clear everyone? It came or not? I am not selected properly, right? So which I selected here, which I have not pushed here. 1, 2, 3, push it. This will push it back. Now place on selection, created like an individual separate column. Separate column PTD, QTD, YTD. First, we are going to do a total. So, file, save. How to do the total? Let me explain it here. For example, if I go to our regular Excel, so if I want to total it, this plus this plus this plus this is equal to what? 608 to 611 has to be totaled. Correct, sir?
Right, sir.
So 608 to 611 has to be total. Correct. This is in Excel. In Fusion, sum within bracket, square bracket, 608 to 611. Square bracket has to be closed. Also, regular bracket has to be closed. This is how ranges can be total. 10 and 40 if I want to total, then individual one regular bracket, each square bracket, comma, 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 you can put. Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Not right. So now I will go to application. So let me go and select here
Sum.
sum. If you want a sum, you want a difference, you want a rank, you want anything, you want a variance, anything you can choose, but I want sum here. After a sum, I'm going to select like formula. Click here, this will come. What is to be selected?
1 and 2.
Square bracket 1 colon 2
2
square bracket and then end. Just to put a tick mark. This is called validation. Any error it will shout. Otherwise, your formula is ready. Got it? Same formula. You can copy, you can paste, you cannot paste here. You have to paste here. That is also to be validated. Vice versa. That is also to be validated. You want another column, click here, right click, insert a column. Similar how you insert a row, you can insert your column also possible. Any questions? No questions. So now what is ready? Row ready, total ready. This total we have not completed. So okay, we will do it. How to do it? Place the cursor, sum here, insert here, start square bracket, and then 4 colon 10 square bracket, end, validate. Any questions? Sir, comfortable everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Super. Copy this and then similar like Excel bars, but only one advantage, it will fetch the balance from Oracle. That's all. Clear? Right. Now I can paste, validate. I can paste, validate, and then I can save it. Super. Row ready, column ready. What is next? You need a page. We decided page wise. So let me click on the page. Let me click on the page. So member name, it's fine, but selection has to come now. Company, click here. What is our company? At the moment, your trainer is incorporated the balance only for 03. Correct? Let me select.
Yes, sir.
Put it right, remove left. Okay. Company ready. You can give all company, user can select each company at the time of your report. Possible. So column ready, row ready, page ready, remaining point of view. What is point of view? So remote control. So which period we are looking for? So August. Correct, sir? August. It's coming under what? If I say or September. Okay. So number 1. So whether I said okay or what? So if I click, what is ready? Individually, you have to click OK instead of if I select here, Bhaskaran US, apply selection. Second one. What is the third one? Department. 350. And then apply selection. Normally that software it will work. Unfortunately, Oracle itself, they are not given a solution. The third party software, it's not working. Directly do it in web. So now it is double
Zero,
zero.
zero.
And then apply selection. What is next? Scenario, actual, apply selection. Balance amount. Balance amount. It is period act. Could be a debit. Revenue means credit. Expenditure means debit. So could be anything. If you are more specific, you can select debit also possible, credit also possible. Clear now? Right. So apply selection. Balance. Next one, I'm going to select like currency. We are doing it for which currency? It is in USD. Search it. Apply selection. And then okay. And then apply. Next one, I'm going to select currency type, total. Select here and then okay here. Now all one shot, I just completed. Check here, September, okay. IC1, okay. 350, okay. 00, okay. Actual, okay. Period, okay. USD, okay. Total, okay. File, save or directly save. Everything is fine, Bhaskaran. So now I need a heading. Okay. So place the cursor in heading. In the header, I'm going to drag something. Where is the heading? Insert image. Where is the file? Oh my goodness. I'm very, very tired in this particular. Where is the header? Insert image.
So save file one more time and then try.
No, actually, I need the heading on the top, right?
Yes.
So some drag drop will be there. In that software, it will be much easier. It's a web, so it's giving trouble. Where can insert it? This is different one. Member selection. And I can bring the heading.
Should be less than 1.01.
Actually, that particular software, what is the advantage, right? We will drag and put it in the bottom. There we can give a header. Bottom we will give a footer. It's very tough here. I don't know how to bring it. Format, bring font. Insert, view, properties.
So is it possible header is not coming due to the option here pages all companies 03 due to this reason?
That is not the problem, Raja. So this is, it's okay. It is a format. I'm talking about where we are going to bring on top. New page, same on top. Okay. Insert image. Insert image. Where can you insert? Ah, it came now. Appa, Ganesha, super. So here you can insert an image. I'm waiting for this. So you can select where this image has to come. Where this image we are going to bring. Choose a file. Choose a file. I'll go to my desktop. Go to desktop. Bhaskaran training file. In that Oracle image, I can select. Oracle image, it is there. Instead of Bhaskaran. Yes. Finally identify. Oracle. So it has come. This is the logo. This is the way body of the content. I want heading. This you want to reduce. You can very well reduce. You can reduce the font also possible. Now I can insert a text. Insert a text. We are going to type something. So what is the font you are looking for? Okay, I want like color. Okay, blue color, bold, and then font size. Month wise, income and expenditure. Report. See, very first time I'm just doing this. Luckily, good. Insert this. Show border. If you want, you can give, or you want to give like a justifier and then insert function. Anything you are going to put it like your annotation, cell text, data source. So name of that particular page, if you want to give, you can give. Otherwise, straight away, we can click. You can click. Now what is ready? Right. So logo ready, and then heading ready, and then body of the content ready. Now I'm going to view this like, HTML report. File, HTML preview. HTML preview. HTML preview. This is a very big topic. Hyperion itself, it's a 5 days class. So now, period to date, quarter to date, year to date. So everything it has come. Double click, Raja, double click. If you are looking for, it has to be coming like, drill down capability. Okay. So now select here. In the body, select here. There is a drill down. There is an option. Drill down. There is an option. If you do that, that is also will come here. It is in heading is there. Now body grid. Now I select. Drill through. Anything balance, it's not there. You can suppress as a 0. Top, what is the position? And what is our drill? If the data it's not there, let it come as a 0. Everything is fine. Where is our drill through? Hello, expand, drill through. And then save it. And then file HTML preview. HTML preview. Click here. This will be connected to inspector or detailed balance. Open. Where we went, that window, it will come. You cannot manipulate the balance at all. This is for September. This is up to opening balance for September. Total 575. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Hmm.
Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
That is why it is here. So you can play many things in this particular method. Same report, if I want to do it in Smart View, first you have to copy the URL. Let me close everything. Go to your, close everything. Start from the scratch, like a fresh Excel. Fresh Excel, what is the meaning? You should install the software call. What is the software? 3 software your trainer is explaining. What are all? Number one, ADF DI, which we have used several times, correct? Number 2, Smart View, correct? Number 3, This is the one, it's not working. I said leave that. Otherwise, we can do it from here itself. Once the smart view got installed, if I click on Excel, if I click on Excel, if I click on Excel, you will get your smart view. Under option, you can, don't remove everything. Raja, listen. So in real time, when we are going to start from the scratch, before workspace, all you remove. And then what I copied, which instance you are going to do this lab, that instance you can copy. And then I just click on OK. After selected an option, click on panel, shared connection. It will ask you the login credential, whether you have a privileges or not. AC1.emp and then Oracle or W capital
Welcome
1, 2, 3. So first one, Hyperion report also you can call here. That is there and there. Shared with respect to custom with respect to our reports are there. Correct. It is nothing but AC1 month-wise report. Open. That FRC you can open here. Amazing feature. That FRC you can open here. Amazing feature. Instead of you can develop the report, that is the next topic, and then we will wind up. Here itself we can develop the report. That is also controlled by Hyperion with the help of our smart view. Is it okay? Finish. Now you are expert in Excel, correct? You are expert in Excel, right? Drag it and then put it. Period to date, quarter to date, year to date. It is nothing but, what is the company name? Trading company. And then account head. Go on regular screen. Do your Rangoli, what all you are looking for. Enjoy. Your joy, my joy, enjoy. File, save as desktop, and then send it to your top management. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? FRC
Yes, sir.
report in Excel. Let me close. Directly how to develop the report in SmartView. Directly how to develop the report in SmartView. Number one, you have to copy the SmartView. Just now I did same instance, no problem. Number two, panel. Number three, shared connection. So AC1.emp, W capital, welcome 1, 2, 3. And then sign in. So I can select yes base. What is our chart of account structure instance? Select chart of account structure instance. Database. Place the cursor. Adopt analysis. Analysis report. Click here. So number one, how to do this? Let account I want here, Bhaskar. Yes, bring it. Ledger, put it. And then balance amount type, it is coming here. Then our account period, I will put it there. And then I will put it here. Right. Number one. Raja, listen. Number one. Zoom in. Next level. Zoom out. Collapse. All level. Bottom level. Sibling level. You can play. Otherwise, if I say all level. Example. What all you are going to keep? What all you are going to keep? 4110. Correct. Okay. Control. Click. Control. Click. What is next? $100. Okay. Right. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. 5880. Okay. Next. 7110. Okay. Right. 7420. Okay. 7450. 7640. 7690. 7740. So keep only. Raja, remove only also possible. Keep only also possible. Row is ready. Column. Member selection. What we looking for? QTD, YTD, push it right, come here, push it back. Okay, column ready. Now we will go to ledger or company. Drop down, click here, open it. Click here, open it. It will open. Individually you open. Otherwise, all you can put it in one shot. This is nothing but point of view. You just put it here. Either you can select here or like a column also you can put. It is nothing but remote. You change, refresh, as many reports it will come. Sir, clear?
Yes.
We'll check. So come to company. What is the company code?
03.
Correct. So I did this smart view many in real time. So company, account period, September. Okay.
21.
21, huh? Right.
One by one.
And then ledger, AC1, company, 03. It's already done. Department, it is 350. Parent also you can very well use. Intercompany,
0.
00. Click here. This is easier than your FRC. Actual scenario. Click here. Balance amount. Period activity. And then currency. It is USD. And then currency type. Total. Okay. Refresh. Sir, understood?
Yes, sir.
So do you want to drill through? Yes, possible. Same available here also. Now double click. Where you want? Detail balance. Okay. It will go straight away. You can find out It's connected. Add on, it's controlling. Now I can go back. Double click. It will open now because I have given already username password. Why it's telling like this? What happened? Browser issue. Set as a default. Maybe I've given us this is the browser, that could be the reason. Allowed it. Still, why it's not going? So Windows 10 always it's a pain. How you people are using, I don't know. Internet Explorer, they have not given a permission. Otherwise, by default, it will go automatically. File not found. It's okay. Right. So here again you can give whatever account head and then insert a row. You can give like month wise income and the expenditure report. So you can put it here like this, and then we can do whatever Rangoli you want to give, you can give. What is the advantage? I will come. Wait, let me finish this and then I will show you. So bold and then put it here. If you want to give a difference, that is called income or expenditure. That's all. Your profit or loss, etc. So now I just save this file, save as in the desktop. In the desktop. Smart view report. Here, see one. I just saved it. So the same report, I will give it to my user. That user he is going to be connect this file. He get an access of username and password. That's all. He will keep on changing the dimension. He will get the output flexibly. That is the advantage. Raja, clear? If I now change it to, instead of September, if I change it to, Raja, listen. So if I change it to October, it will change automatically the output. Condition, do you have a permission or not? Am I right or wrong? Is it clear now? So one report, flexibly, you can do whatever changes if you want. Very well possible. That is the specialty of Oracle Smart View here. Now the September, you selected like all the 3 periods here. All the 3 periods here. So let them do it later. So let them choose the parameter. Accordingly, this report, it will change. Now July, refresh. Changed. August, refresh. Changed. September, refresh. Changed. So one template, you can utilize it for multiple purpose possible for balance inquiry. That is why. So Smart View is very, very powerful. So this is how today I just completed our Smart View and our FRC topic. So Monday, I thought of I will finish the topic tomorrow, but anyway, so you are all like, busy with puja. So it's fine. So now we'll complete this topic on 17th or 18th. So 18th October 2021, and if not completed, we'll go to our 19th. So that is our last. Try to complete on Monday itself. So that is the agenda. Everybody will be there. We can do that. So recording number 42, I can upload now. So either Monday or a Tuesday, we will complete our session. Any questions? You have to do lot of practices. Okay. So thank you very much. Have a
Thank you, sir.
nice
Good night.
Puja holiday.
Thank you.
Puja
Thank you so
holidays.
much, sir.
Enjoy yourself. Meet on Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night.